Hey everyone! Welcome back to our channel. Today I'm going to show you how to use ChatGPT web search. This is a great tool for getting quick answers and exploring information directly using ChatGPT. Let's jump in. So here we are in ChatGPT. This AI tool is not just for chatting. It can actually help you perform quick web searches. Let me show you how it works. For example, if I want to know what is the capital of Canada, I can simply type in my question and enable web search. In this case, it's Ottawa. This is super helpful for quick facts. ChatGPT will not only answer your question, but it will also provide you source links. What makes ChatGPT really unique is its ability to provide natural, conversational responses, which makes understanding complex information a lot easier. It also pulls together information from different sources to give you a comprehensive answer, all without you having to visit multiple websites. And that's it. ChatGPT is a fantastic tool for quick searches and in-depth answers, all in one place. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like it, subscribe for more helpful tech tips, and hit the notification bell so you don't miss out on future content. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Hey everyone! Welcome back to our channel. Today, I'm going to show you how to use ChatGPT for image search. Specifically, we'll be looking for the latest images of the McLaren W1, and I'll guide you through the process step by step. Let's get started. So here we are on ChatGPT. This tool not only helps you find information quickly, but can also be used for searching images. Let me show you how to find some cool car pictures. I'll type latest images of McLaren W1 and press enter. ChatGPT will provide me with information and help me find the most relevant images of the car. Now, ChatGPT can give you an overview of the car, including information about the McLaren W1, and suggest links where you can find the latest images. You can click these links to explore the pictures on the web. This is a super easy way to look for images of your favorite car or any other object without having to navigate through multiple websites. ChatGPT simplifies the process by providing the most relevant links to get you started. And that's it. Using ChatGPT for image search is really convenient when you need the latest pictures or information about something. If you found this video helpful, please give it a like, subscribe for more tech tips, and hit that notification bell so you don't miss out. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Hey everyone! Welcome back to our channel. Today, I'm going to show you how to use ChatGPT to get detailed information about some amazing tech. Specifically, we'll look up a recent demo by Boston Dynamics involving their incredible robot, Atlas. Let's get started. So here we are in ChatGPT. I'll type, "What demo did Boston Dynamics do with Atlas?" and press enter. And there you have it. ChatGPT tells us all about the latest demo. For example, recently Boston Dynamics showcased Atlas performing advanced parkour and acrobatics, including running, jumping over obstacles, and even executing a backflip. It's pretty incredible how they've pushed the boundaries of robotics. Not only does ChatGPT give you the highlights of the demo, but it also provides background information about the Atlas project and its development. This can be super helpful if you want to know more than just the headline details. And that's it. Using ChatGPT to search for information about tech demos like this one is a great way to get quick, comprehensive answers. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more tech tips, and hit that notification bell so you never miss an update. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, I'm going to show you how to use ChatGPT search to find the best places to eat. Let's dive right in. So here we are in ChatGPT search. This tool is super useful when you want to find great spots around you. Let's say you're in Soho, London, and you're craving some amazing Indian food. I'll type, "What are the best Indian spots in London near Soho?" and hit enter. As you can see, ChatGPT search gives us a list of popular Indian spots near Soho, including places like Dish Hoom, Cinnamon Bazaar, and Darjeeling Express. These are some of the top-rated restaurants known for their delicious Indian cuisine. ChatGPT search also provides helpful context, such as nearby landmarks or the exact areas where these restaurants are located. If you want to get directions, just open Google Maps and type in the name of the restaurant. This makes it easy to find your way there. And that's it. Finding the best places to eat using ChatGPT search is really simple and saves you a lot of time. If you found this video helpful, make sure to give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more handy tips, and hit that notification bell so you never miss an update. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, I'm going to show you how to use ChatGPT to check the weather. We're going to search for the current weather in London and then also see the full week's weather forecast. Let's get started. All right, here we are in ChatGPT. It's really easy to use this tool to get real-time weather information. Let's say you're planning a trip to London and want to know what the weather is like. I'll start by typing, "What's the weather in London today?" and press enter. And there you go. ChatGPT gives us the current weather in London, including the temperature, conditions like rain or sunshine, and any other important details. This is really helpful if you just need a quick update. But what if you're planning for the week? You can also ask ChatGPT for the full weekly forecast. I'll type, "What's the full week weather in London?" and hit enter. As you can see, ChatGPT gives us the entire week's weather forecast, with highs and lows for each day, and whether it's going to be sunny, rainy, or cloudy. This makes it easy to plan your activities and decide which day is best for sightseeing or staying indoors. And that's it. Using ChatGPT to check the weather is really simple and gives you all the details you need, from the current conditions to the full weekly outlook. If you found this video helpful, make sure to give it a like, subscribe for more useful tips, and hit the notification bell so you never miss an update. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Hey everyone! Welcome back to our channel. Today I'm going to show you how to use ChatGPT to check the latest stock prices. This is a super easy way to get real-time financial information without having to navigate through multiple financial websites. Let's get started. So here we are on ChatGPT. Let's say you're interested in investing in NVIDIA, or you just want to keep an eye on their stock price. I'll show you how to do that right here. I'll type, "What is the latest stock price of NVIDIA?" and press enter. And there you have it. ChatGPT provides us with the latest stock price for NVIDIA. It also includes some extra details like the daily change, the opening price, and more. All the information you might need for a quick market check. And that's it. Using ChatGPT to get real-time stock information is super simple and helps you stay updated easily. If you found this tutorial helpful, be sure to give it a like, subscribe for more handy tech tips, and hit the notification bell so you never miss an update. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Hey everyone! Welcome back to our channel. Today, I'm going to show you how to use ChatGPT to organize that information into a data table. It's a great way to make the data easy to understand and compare. Let's get started. So here we are in ChatGPT. Let's say you're interested in getting recent information on semiconductor or chip stocks. I'll show you how you can do this in just a few simple steps. I'll start by typing recent chip stocks to get the latest data on popular chip companies like NVIDIA, AMD, Intel, and Qualcomm. Let's hit enter, and here we have it. ChatGPT provides us with the recent updates on major semiconductor companies, including stock prices and any notable news. Now, if you want to make it easier to compare, you can ask ChatGPT to display this information in a data table. I'll type, "Can you show this information in a data table?" and hit enter. And there you have it, a simple, organized table showing each company's name, stock price, and recent performance. This table is super useful if you're analyzing multiple companies at once. It lets you compare stock prices side by side and understand the market trends more easily. And that's it. Using ChatGPT to get data on chip stocks and then organizing it into a data table is really simple and convenient. If you found this video helpful, make sure to give it a like, subscribe for more tech and finance tips, and hit the notification bell so you never miss out. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, I'm going to show you how to use ChatGPT search more efficiently by installing a Chrome extension that will allow you to use ChatGPT directly from your browser's search bar. This is a great way to get quick answers while you're browsing. Let's dive right in. First, let's start by installing the ChatGPT search extension. Go to the Chrome Web Store. and search for ChatGPT for Google. This extension allows you to see ChatGPT responses directly alongside your Google search results. Once you find it, click on Add to Chrome and then confirm by clicking Add Extension. It's a quick installation and only takes a few seconds. Now that we've installed the extension, let me show you how to use it. Let's say I want to learn something interesting, like how do airplanes stay in the air? Instead of typing into the ChatGPT interface, I'm just going to type it right here in the Chrome search bar and press Enter. As you can see, Google search results come up as usual, but now we also have the ChatGPT response on the side. It gives us a detailed and conversational answer right here without needing to open another tab. This extension is perfect for quick research and helps you get the best of both worlds: Google's traditional search results and ChatGPT's more in-depth answers, all in one place. And that's it! Installing the ChatGPT extension is a simple way to enhance your browsing experience and get instant answers while searching on Google. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more tech tips, and hit that notification bell so you don't miss out on future content. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.